Guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm super excited about today's video because I'm going to be showing you guys how to get this orange cut crease look. Orange is just such a fun color, and if you know me, then you know that I love all neon colors. So of course today's look was a must. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, please make sure that you go ahead and subscribe, because I promise after this video you will definitely be back. And also make sure that you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, as well as comment what you like about this video down below. I am a newer channel, so the only way that I know that you guys are enjoying the content that I'm putting out is by the number of likes, comments, and subscribers that I gain from each video. So please make sure that you do all three of those things so that I know that you guys like the content that I'm putting out. And with all that said, if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, just keep on watching. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know I've probably already done an intro where I'm looking like super cute because I know I'm looking kind of hit right now, but I want this channel to be fun. I want it to be interactive. I want y'all to feel like y'all are right here with me doing my makeup. So I went shopping at Ulta today, and I'm probably going to end up using a lot of the products that I got today in this video. So I just want to take some time before we get into the video to show you guys what I got, you know, do a couple swatches, you know, just show you what's going on. Okay, I know when I see other people on YouTube spend like bogus amounts of money on makeup, I love to see what they got. I totally understand though, if you are about your business and you just want to see, you know, how I got this orange makeup look, I will leave a timestamp in the bottom in the corner of this video, so you guys can go ahead and jump ahead and get to that. But if you're interested in seeing what I got, then I'm gonna show you. Okay, so I went two places today. I went to get my nails done, and that's right next to a Target. So I went to Target first because I had to pick up a couple things for my mom. So the first thing that I picked up was this foundation, and it's by Hailey's Beauty. I've never heard of this brand, but it was in the section with all the other black owned makeup products, so I just assumed that this is a black owned brand. Might not be, but I'm just assuming that it is, because all the shades that they have are for deeper pigmented skin tones, so I'm just assuming that it's a black brand. It might not be, but it's called Hailey's Beauty, and this is their Reset Liquid Matte Foundation. So I picked this up because I've never seen any packaging like this before. Like, I just think that's super cute, like the, I don't know, like just the way that it's packaged. I think that is really nice packaging. And again, of course, it caught my eye because it was with all the other black owned brands, or like the brands that are, you know, catered more towards black women, like Black Radiance, Black Opal, Milani, all of them. So I'll swatch this for you guys. I don't know how to work it. Ooh. Okay, so this is the applicator that we're working with. Again, very different than anything I've ever seen. It'd be very hard for you to use too much foundation because it's got such a small applicator, so that's good. So this is what it looks like. Okay, I like the way that it blends. I think that I match my skin tone pretty well, but we'll see in a few minutes. I like it. It blends very well. It looks like it's going to be pretty full coverage too, so I like it. Seems blendable. Okay, so I got the foundation. I also got the concealer to go with it, and I got the foundation in the shade 680 Warm, and I got the concealer in the shade Medium Tan Warm. Oh, okay, so the foundation is a pull, but I was over here trying to pull the concealer. The concealer is definitely a twist. Oh, okay, yeah. So it's definitely a twist. So just in case you get this, do not try to pull it, because I was over here thinking. Okay. Okay, and that's what the concealer looks like. I love when concealers already come with a brush applicator, so that's definitely a plus. So yeah, so I got both of these at Target, and the foundation was $20 and this was $15.99. It's pretty high for what I would consider a drugstore brand, so I'm hoping that I really like these two. Again, like, you have to give extra points for the cool packaging and the thoughts that it's black owned. Again, I don't really know if it is or not, I'm just assuming. But yeah, got high hopes. Hopefully I like both of these. If not, I'm gonna be kind of upset about my money, but it's okay. Also, while I was at Target, I got two makeup brushes. They're both by Elf. What is that? First one is this crease brush. The second is a flawless concealer brush. If you've ever seen my makeup brush collection, you know I don't need any more brushes, but recently I've been wanting some more, just because I'm really bad about washing my makeup brushes. Like, I'm super lazy when it comes to it, so I think that I've accumulated most of my makeup brushes just because, like, whenever all of my makeup brushes are dirty, I tend to just go on Amazon and like order more, which is why I have like a million brushes at this point. But yeah, my makeup brushes are dirty, so but I've been wanting to do a lot of eye looks, so I've been looking into getting some more detailed brushes, so that's why I picked these up. But yeah, so that's everything I got at Target. Now I'm going to show you guys everything that I got at Ulta. Okay, so the first thing is I got this Covergirl Primer. If you are an OG subscriber, then you know that the Covergirl True Blend for oily skin was my #1 best primer I've ever had in my entire life, but they stopped selling it. So since then I've kind of just been jumping from primer to primer. Right now I'm using the Milani Primer, and it's okay, but like there's a significant difference in my makeup whenever I use the Covergirl True Blend. And the name of this one is the Covergirl True Blend Base Business. So the True Blend part is definitely what caught my eye, so I'm hoping that it'll kind of resemble the True Blend. It's purple, so I'm really not sure if this is going to do anything that the True Blend did, but same brand, it's got True Blend in it, so I'm gonna try it, see how it works. Next, I picked up 2 of the NYX Liquid Liners. These are both the Vivid Brights. They're in 2 different shades of purple. So I have the lighter purple, which is kind of like a lavender, and it's in the shade Vivid Blossom. And then I have the darker purple, which is kind of like a violet, and it's called Vivid Violet. So there you go. So I'm doing a purple look for you guys in the next couple of weeks, and I'm super excited about, and I didn't know when it came to eyeliner if I was going to want to use a light purple or dark purple, or if I'm even going to use eyeliner in that look, but I just picked up both of these just in case. And I also kind of just collect these. Like I have in the Vivid Brights, I have the yellow, the orange, the green, the blue, and the white. So I'm basically just collecting all of these, so why not just pick them both up. But yeah, so I'll have a purple look coming for you guys soon, so stay tuned. Okay, so you don't miss it. Next, I got the Tarte Shape Tape. So this is the shade that I got mine in. It's the medium tan golden, and that's what it looks like on my skin tone. So in this video, I'm probably not going to use the Tarte concealer. I'm probably going to end up using the Haley's concealer, since I got the foundation to match and I want to use the foundation today. But I'll probably be reviewing the Tarte like in another video. Okay, so the last thing that I got is just this little, I'm not even going to try to see if this will focus, because I know it's not gonna focus on this. So I got this little brown lip liner, because I've really been getting into lip liners lately. I've never been a lip liner girl, but I'm really kind of getting into like the lip liner and some gloss look. This is a NYX liquid liner, and it's in the shade Brown Perfection. But yeah, that's everything that I picked up today. I just wanted to take the time to show you guys my goodies. If you have used any of these products, please let me know how you feel about them down below, or if you know any great dupes for these products, please also let me know, because your girl is on a budget and I would greatly appreciate it. But yeah, now that you guys have seen that I spend way too much money on makeup, let's go ahead and get into the makeup look. Okay, so now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm going to be moving on to my eyeshadow. So again, I'll be going in with that Haley's concealer, and I'll be using that as my eyeshadow base. And I'll be going in with my Morphe 350 palette. Which one am I not using my Morphe 350 palette? I'll just be setting that with this tan shade right here. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'm going to be going in and doing a cut crease. As you can tell, I've added some tape because I want my wings to be very precise. I'm going to be using this detail brush, and I'll also be using the Makeup Revolution cut crease canvas. So basically this is just like a white concealer. You can use any white concealer, but I am using white because I really want the orange to pop. To be going in with this burnt orange and this lighter orange shade. I'm using this same brush. Since it's already damp with the concealer, it'll be able to grab onto that pigment a little bit better. Okay, so now that I've kind of got the outline how I want it, I'm going to be going in with this denser eyeshadow brush to really pack on that pigment. Next, Next, I'll be going in with these lashes that I got from AliExpress. They're 25mm mink lashes, and I'll try to leave the link below because I ordered like 13 pairs of lashes, but they were all from the same vendor. So I'm really not sure which style this is because there's nothing on the package that lets you know which style it is. But I will leave the link to like at least the vendor from where I got these from. Okay, so now that I'm all done with my eyes, I'll be moving on to my skin, and I'll be using that Covergirl True Blend Primer that I was telling you guys about earlier. And usually I would skip this step of like showing you guys that I put on primer, but you'd be surprised how many people don't use a primer, and I'm not judging because I used to be one of those people too. But of course you guys know that the Covergirl True Blend for oily skin is really what put me on to primers because it made my makeup look so smooth and perfect. But even if you don't find a primer that you absolutely fall in love with, primers are still super important because it just gives you that extra layer between your skin and your makeup. So it, you know, I definitely noticed that I had less acne when I started using a primer. So it's just kind of like a second line of defense for your skin, so your skin has just like at least a little bit of a barrier in between your makeup. Now I'll be going in with my Haley's foundation. And next, I'll be going in with my Haley's concealer. I feel like I matched the Haley's concealer perfectly with like my skin tone, so I do want my concealer to be a little bit brighter in some areas, so I actually will be using the Tarte Shape Tape to go in and brighten some areas. Next, I'll be going in and baking, and I'll be using my Makeup Revolution setting powder in the shade Banana Deep. Now I'm just going to be going in with this small detail brush, and I'll just be using that to pack in that burnt orange shade that we used earlier onto my bottom lid. Hey guys, so quick interruption. I don't know what happens after this clip, but it seems like some footage was lost. But all I'm doing after I finish this step is just adding some Ardell single lashes to my bottom lash line. That's all. Okay, continue. And now I'll be going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. And I'll be using what's left of this shade. Next, I'll be going in with this NYX Mosaic powder in the shade Love. And now I'll be going in with my Black Radiance Artisan Baked Bronzer in the shade Beautiful. And for my lipstick today, I'll be starting off with my Milani lip cream in the shade Amore Matte. And I'll just be layering that with my NYX Soft Lip Matte Cream in the shade Morocco. Now I want my lips to be just like a little bit more pouty, so I'm going to be going in with my NYX Lingerie in the shade Dusk to Dawn.